girl Vanessa, and you are here at Summer's Crown. Different crowns just for you, 4C hairstyles, different makeup tips, different things I want to do. Find them right here on my YouTube channel, okay? So if you haven't already done so, like, comment, and subscribe. You already know what to do, okay? So today's video is a hair store haul. I placed an order online at Clore. I want to say the beginning, I don't even know, the beginning of like March, okay? I placed an order. I didn't get my post until yesterday. No, I'm lying. Yeah, no, yesterday I got my package. So it took at least 3 months for me to get my stuff. But you guys, lots of goodies, okay? So let's start this off, all right? So I don't know, I went into the hair store. Okay, so like I said, there is the stuff I ordered online, and I recently went to the hair store because my package didn't come as yet, and I think 2 or 3 days after my package came, which is so stupid, but whatever. I'm like, you know what? It's hot outside. Definitely gonna have to do a productive style, give a little video for you guys. So I'm thinking I'm going to do some type of single braids, or I don't know. So I got some hair. It's free stretch braid, 24 inches, and it's 3 packs that come in here. All right. And then I also got expressions. Everybody knows about this bad boy. I got 5 or 4 packs of this. So I'm gonna mix and match. It's most likely just gonna all be red, and throw in a little black just to, you know, spruce it up a bit. Now, for tools, I needed another brush, and especially for when I'm doing my high puffs, I do want to do a slick ponytail. So I went and got myself a hard, narrow brush, and it was only $2.99. Clore. And then I went ahead and got a hard wave brush, a little bigger, wider, I guess. So, and this one was $2.99 as well. The hair, the expressions is $5.99. Stations was $8.99. So it's not too expensive, especially right now during this time. You know I'm not spending no big old leap of money. Oh, okay. Another one. So I got 5 packs of red and 1, it's a number 4, so it's really like a dark brown. Anyways, going into the bag. Let me show you in my bag. And we got some little cute little accessories to put on. So I got gold and silver, and especially when I do my twists too, if I want to add a little flair, it's something you guys can do. Just go buy a couple little clips. I got some got to be ultra glued styling gel. I like this because I can use this on my hair and also on my edges, and it doesn't leave me flaking. What else do we got in here? I went ahead and got 2 of these little eco styling gels, and this is the olive oil selection or collection, whatever. I find this one works the best on my hair. I've tried the flaxseed, which is probably like a semi-hold for me. The gold one, I believe, that one does not do anything for me. So this is the best one, in my perspective. I got my color. So if you guys were wondering what I use to get my red, crimson, 68 is the number. You can find this at any local beauty supply, Sally's, even Walmart, you can find this, okay? And they're semi-permanent. So after a while, I don't know if you guys can tell, it's not as vibrant as it usually would be. So yeah. Ooh. I got some Ghost Bond because I'm not using no more Got To Be gel in my hair, or Got To Be glue. It's just not working, and I find that I'm not using the right amount because I'm not a professional. I just recently started using lace front wigs, so as I go, I learn. Got this little bad boy. This was the most expensive thing. I think this was like $27, 28 bucks or something like that. But hey, I needed it. Got this little mini thing here. It's by Pink. It's a hot oil treatment for all hair types. This was just sitting at the counter. I'm like, you know what? Let me just try it. Something different. Okay, I think that. Oh, I'm the worst. So Blue Magic, I don't know if you guys went back to your roots or anything, but this right here I will not stop using. So I got the Super Sure Grow, made with shea butter, jojoba oil, and Japanese green tea leaves. Really nice. There you go. I use this in my LOC or LCO methods. I can use this just in my scalp. It works perfectly. I also went ahead and bought Blue Magic Argan Oil Herbal Complex Leave-In Conditioner. This thing actually was really nice. Very moisturizing. The consistency is pretty runny. As I said, pretty runny. But does give you a lot of moisture, and the moisture stays. Okay, so that's about it for the hair store. What I got now online was Meow Mint Almond Oil, and this promotes healthy hair and scalp. Everything will be left in the description box below, you guys, so don't worry. I am still getting used to my ring light. Now in this is just soybean oil, Pernus something sweet almond oil, peppermint oil, and certified organic ingredients. No parabens, no sulfates, no parabens, no mineral oil, no synthetic colors, no DEA, no animal testing. Then I also went ahead and got the leave-in conditioner, the pomegranate and honey. So it looks like this smells amazing. Okay, this also has great things. Too much words that I don't know, so I'm not even going to try. I bought this from the hair store. This will give you the greatest straightened out style that you've ever had in your life, and your hair won't revert back into its curly state right away. Like, you know when you're straightening your hair and you go back till you're in like the middle of your head and the back is just like shrunken now? This won't happen. So this is called, it's a 10 Miracle Leave-In. Alright, I got this for $17.99, this little small one. There's also a bigger one for $32, I believe. Online, I also bought the Rosemary Mint Multivitamin Daily Styling Creme infused with biotin and encourages hair growth, okay? Very nice. It's a thick consistency. Oh, not really, but it's not a gel, but it's not, I don't know how to explain it. But you guys, if you want to try it out, definitely go ahead. I also went ahead and bought the Mungongo Oil Hydrating Conditioner, protein free, intense hydration, protein free conditioner for versatile hairstyling. Okay, so this doesn't have the greatest smell to me. It just smells like clean hair. Yeah, that's all it smells like. Again, runny but not too runny. The Moisture Miracle Moroccan Clay and Shea Butter Detox and Soften Heat Activated Mask. Okay, people? So, for natural coils and curls, there's no parabens, no mineral oil, no sulfates, no petroleum. And the last thing in my video, it is the Babus. This thing, buy it. Yeah. Brazilian Curly Cocktail Curl Cream for dry and curly hair types. Again, something that I've seen great reviews about. It smells really nice. It smells kind of orangey with like a bergamot smell, maybe. I don't know. My Bath and Body Works kicking in. But I want to try this out. It says that it's good for wash and goes, but this girl over here, this Firsty girl, ain't doing no wash and go. So we're gonna try it in like my twist outs and a braid out and see how it works. It says directions after you have cleaned and damp hair is divided into sections. Apply a liberal amount of the Brazilian curl cream to your hair, combing and fingering through to roots and ends. Immediately follow in the same section of the hair with the cocktail mousse. No, I didn't buy all that. Either way, telling me to do wash and go, I ain't doing no wash and go. I'm gonna do a twist out with this. But people, that is it. I am done. I went off. I really don't have to buy anything else other than probably like hair, which I do have coming from my girl. I'm not even gonna let you guys know. It's a surprise. I'm gonna be making myself a nice wig with her bundles. So check it out. Thank you again. I will see see you guys soon. Another video most likely this week. Okay guys, love you, peace.